part of our Rebound Maryland series, two Sons of Baltimore are making it their mission to break the mental health stigma and get people the help that they need. WMAR 2 News' Eddie Kadam sat down with the co-founders of Benevolent and shows how they are taking a holistic approach to help people get through the pandemic and beyond.
Benevolent is a behavioral health clinic started by two young sons of Baltimore, 25-year-old Lamar Purnell and 27-year-old Stefan Matt.
Put a big emphasis on trauma therapy because many people, many young and older people are dealing with trauma in Baltimore City. And we are combating that head on by going into these communities, just letting them know that Benevolent's here. We're willing to help. We're willing to partner with any and everyone that's willing to, who has the same goal as we have.
We provide outpatient mental health therapy, substance abuse counseling, and psychiatric rehabilitation for both adults and adolescents.
The pandemic has been rough on our youth's mental health. They've been holding events to get kids engaged and talking.
You break the stigma surrounding mental health, so whether it's a clothing drive, whether it's feeding the homeless, or just a simple, just 2 weeks ago we had a Madden tournament. A lot of people might just say that's just playing a game, but one of the things that we did, we explained to them how this could be a stress reliever, then we also explained other stress relievers.
Growing up in Baltimore, they saw the need in their community.
I had a hard time due to the fact that my mother, she lost her oldest son due to gun violence, and it really cost her, she had a hard time dealing with it, and I always think about if she had the resources to help her get through the situation, things would be a little bit different.
We need to bring more light to mental health issues. So that's what we're trying to do. We've actually recently partnered with McCullough Homes as a community engagement partner with them.
To reach people, they go into the hardest hit communities, helping organizations like Haven for the Homeless and One More Plate.
Going through depression, anxiety, a lot of people don't know when their next meal is going to come.
They have licensed clinicians, group therapy, and help people with housing, job placement, and daily living activities.
A lot of people say, generational wealth is passed down, but they fail to realize that generational trauma is passed down as well. So we want to make sure that we break that.
Going back into their communities to show them mental health isn't a fight you have to take on alone. In Baltimore, Eddie Kadam, WMAR 2 News.